right, today I was gonna do a heart rate drift test to determine your aerobic threshold, but that's an hour of running at the top of your zone 2, which might not feel the best if you don't have a solid base. So instead today we're gonna do pickups. So a pickup or stride or fartleks are the longer ones. Are you just like on your easy base zone 1 or 2 run, and you just pick up your speed for 18-15 seconds, and then you just do a few of those, just sprinkle them in here and there. And they're supposed to be fun. Like there's a section of trail that you like, you can just do it there. They're not really all that structured, but they help improve your running economy and get used to running a little bit harder. So we'll do a pickup here just now. Right, going. Woo! Big shin! All right, that's all you have to do. Just have fun. You'll get stronger. All right, so I'm on my taper this week because I have 100K on Saturday. So here are my totals for week 4. Yeah, so I had a really good 13-mile tempo on Tuesday. It felt really rewarding to finally climb up on top of the bluff, get a good view after slowly increasing my tempo distances. It also felt good to get this 4-week training block complete, because this winter training is not the best for Western states. So yeah, I'm looking forward to this race on Saturday. I'll let you know how it goes next week.